Think math.
The fruit cards are all jumbled up. You try to count how many apples there are, but you keep losing track. Why is that? When they are jumbled, the cards you counted sit right next to the ones you have not. So you skip one or you count the same one twice. So first, gather them by kind. Apples with apples, bananas with bananas, grapes with grapes. Gathering like this is what sorting means. Now you count one group at a time. 5 apples, 3 bananas, 2 grapes. Nothing skipped, nothing counted twice. Sorting splits what you still have to count from what you have already done right there in front of your eyes. That is why sorting is preparation for counting. And the more data you have, the more it helps. Gather before you count. Sorting first makes counting far easier. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.